Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. I hope that your day is off to a great start. I want to say good morning to some of my absolute favorite friends. Those friends are Evie, Davion, Thomas, Lauren, Rogan, Maddox, Camden, Taylor, Lila, Kira, Braden, Reeser, Savannah LaValle, Saoirse, Amelia, Savannah Owens, Liam, Benjamin, Joshua, Charlie, and Cole. I hope you all have a great day today, and I miss seeing all of my favorite friends. I wanted to let you know what you are going to be working on today. Today, the first thing I would like you to do is to read for 20 minutes. You can log into Reading A to Z, Epic, books, anything of your choice. Just find a cozy spot and read for 20 minutes. Then you're going to log into iReady Reading. And there you're going to work on some different reading skills. It could be some vocabulary words. It could be some of our foundation skills, but a little bit different for everyone probably. After that, you have a fun brain break that you're going to do. I think you're going to like riding a roller coaster today. Then for math, I ask you to log into iReady. Please make sure that you're logging into a lesson because whenever you log into a learning game, I can't see that you've logged into iReady at all. So please make sure you're logging into lessons and working on those. After you've worked on iReady for about 20 minutes, then you're free to go on and play some learning games. If you would choose to want to play a math game on a different website like ABCya, that is perfectly fine. But find a fun way to practice your math skills in a way that you would like to. After that, in science today, you are going on your very first virtual field trip. I think you're going to love it. You are visiting a dinosaur museum today. And then when you are finished this week, you only need to accomplish 2 specials. So 2 activities that either is with art, library, music, or gym. So today, since your work is a little less, I would suggest working on a special activity today. When you're finished with that, your day is over. I hope you have a wonderful day today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.